Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek from the Autogeek Show Car Garage in Palm City, Florida. Today we're talking about Pinnacle Black Label Hide Soft Leather Cleaner and Hide Soft Leather Conditioner. We would use these two products in conjunction with one another. Obviously, first you'd want to clean the leather surfaces. The Pinnacle Black Label Hide Soft Leather Cleaner is actually pH balanced. It's a natural water-based formula. However, it actually contains mink oil and lanolin, which is unusual for a cleanser. And then when you follow up with a conditioner that has the same formula, so you know that you're adding the natural oils back into that leather to keep it soft and supple. What you want to do is clean the surface first and foremost with the cleanser. You can apply that with a microfiber or foam pad. Put some product right onto the pad, rub it in gently. You can also use a natural bristle brush if you need to get in real deep, but it will remove all the dirt and debris right out of that leather so that it's prepared to condition as well. And then clean up with a microfiber towel. And one of my favorite properties about the conditioner is the scent. It really smells like new car, new leather. It's so fresh and it does last quite a while. Both of these products are actually safe to use on the King Ranch seating that you'll find in some Ford vehicles. With the Hide Soft Leather Conditioner, you're restoring the natural oils into that leather seating, and you're not adding any greasy finish or too glossy. And again, you would just apply and wipe, simple as that. If you want more information on these products and others, visit autogeek.com.